Hello friends, it's Kat from Meow Meow Kapow. So, I guess we're legit here now because Arteza sent me this set of 24 premium watercolors to test and review. Today, I'm just going to swatch them out, listing the name, pigment information, light fastness, and opacity for your convenience. Oh, also, shout out to one of the places I've considered home in my lifetime, Delaware. Arteza's distribution address is in Wilmington, which most Delawareans and fans of Fight Club usually know is for business reasons. Still, it's nice to see good old Delaware here. All of the materials will be listed down in the doobly-doo, and if you decide you want a set of your own, please consider using the affiliate links down there if you want. While I was swatching out these paints, I did notice that of the 24 in this set, only 11 are single pigment colors and the rest are convenience blends. Personally, I have nothing against multi-pigment colors and think they're a great shortcut for getting the color you want without needing to think about it, but that does mean that this may be something to consider if you're looking to use this set for yourself. There's also only one fully transparent color, the ultramarine blue, and one thing that most people look for in watercolors is transparency. That being said, all of the colors in this set are well saturated, though they do dry a bit dull and chalky, which I would honestly expect given that almost all of the colors are either fully opaque or semi-opaque. Would I recommend this set for someone who's been using watercolors for a few years and has already dove deep into the expensive brands? Probably not. But who I would recommend them to is someone just getting started on their watercolor journey. With all the premixed colors available, it can help you get comfortable with the medium itself first before having to worry about mastering the art of color mixing on your own, which can honestly be a struggle if you're not prepared for it. There's also a pretty decent range in this set, with plenty of yellows, blues, reds, and even a couple of browns. I'm also pretty happy about the two purples and the rose color, as well as their cerulean blue specifically, because those colors are super pretty and I really enjoy them. As for pricing, this is a set of 24 colors in 12ml tubes each, listed for $27 US. That's just over $1 per tube, which is a darn good price for tubes of this size, even in the student range, as these absolutely are. I haven't gotten a chance to give a full test to these paints yet, but will in a future video. In the meantime, I'd like to know what you think about these Arteza supplies. I must admit, having seen these paints and other things all around the internet for months now has gotten me curious to try them myself, so I'm grateful that I've got the chance now. If you've already tried them or want to try them, let me know about it in the comments down below. Also, aside from an independent light fastness test, which I don't have the time for, what are some features of these paints you'd like me to investigate? How they dry down in a palette, how well they lift. I'm game if you've got suggestions. Might as well make my future tests as informative as possible. As always, please consider giving the channel a like and subscribe. It's quick and free and helps this boat stay afloat. Until I see you next time, I wish you peace, love, and party time. Bye!